Greetings of the day, dear children. Let us continue question number 6 of exercise 3.1. The marks out of 100 students obtained by a group of students in science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by student. So you have to see the highest mark by listing out. We can see 95 is the highest mark and the lowest mark is 39. So just write highest mark is equal to 95 and lowest mark is equal to 39. Let's move ahead with second part. In second part they are saying range of the marks obtained. So how to find the range? The formula for finding the range is highest observation minus lowest observation. Here observation means marks. The highest marks obtained is 95. The lowest marks obtained is 39. We will subtract. We will get the range as 56. Means there is a gap of 56 marks in the marks is scored by the student with the highest and marks is scored by the student with lowest. Let's move ahead with third part. In third part they are asking mean marks of this obtained by the group. What is the average marks the group has obtained? So the formula is mean is equal to sum of the observation upon number of observation. Add all the marks together divided by, it is a group of 10 students, so 10. When we will add, we will got 730 upon 10. The 0 will get cut with 0. The answer is 73. So this is your question number 6 of exercise 3.1. Let's move ahead with question 7 now. Question 7 says, in a school, the enrollment during 6 consecutive years were, the enrollment of the students were like, in 6 consecutive means one after the other. In first year, these number of students were enrolled, second year, third year and so on. We have to find the mean of these students enrolled. Again, we have to find mean, which means sum mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Or add all the years, all the enrollments done in the years divided by 6, as 6 is the number of years. Add, you will get the answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Divided by 6, you will get your mean as 2058. This is your question number 7. Let's move ahead with question 8 now. Question 8 says, there rainfall in a city on 7 days certain week was recorded. Back to back 7 days rainfall had occurred in a city and it was recorded, like Monday 0.0 no rain, on Tuesday 12.2 mm, on Wednesday 2.1, Thursday again 0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5 and Sunday 1.0. Again they are asking the range. Now for range, formula is highest observation minus lowest observation. Now in this case, first you need to look for the highest rainfall occurred. So the highest was on Friday 20.5 and the lowest was on Thursday or Monday, same, it is 0.0. So what we will do, we will subtract 20.5 minus 0.0. Subtract highest means do the subtraction of highest minus lowest. The range will be 20.5 mm. Second part they are asking find the mean of the rain for the week. Again they are asking the mean. Formula is sum of the observation upon number of observation. Add the rainfall for the 7 days divided by number of days are 7. When we will add, we will get the sum as 41.3 upon 7. Divide and you will get the answer as 5.9 mm as the mean. Now third part they are asking how many days was less than the mean rainfall. Mean rainfall was 5.9. You have to see कितने days में mean से कम बारिश हुई है. So it is Monday which is less than 5.9. Then Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday, Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On 5 days rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. So this was your question number 8. Let's move ahead with last question of this exercise, which is question 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeters and the heights are as follows: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. Again they are asking the height of the tallest one. Look for the highest number. The highest number is 151. Then they're asking the shortest answer is 128. So height of the tallest girl is 151, height of the shortest is 128. Third part, they're asking what is the range. So for finding the range, the formula is highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest height is 151, lowest height is 128. Subtract, you will get answer as 23 centimeter. Then fourth part, they are saying what is the mean height. Again, for finding the mean, formula is sum of the observation upon number of observation. Add all the heights in centimeters given together, divide by number of girls is 10. When you will add, you will get 1414 upon 10. Just bring it to the decimal sign. This is your mean answer 141.4. On an average लगभग लड़कियों की हाइट 140 के अराउंड है. Again they are asking the second last part, how many girls have height more than the mean height. We'll see 141 से ज़्यादा कितनी girls की आई हैं. So this is one more than 141, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 girls who have more height than the mean height. So this was your exercise 3.1.